The Thirsty Crow by Nithu's Kids. Once upon a time, there were a lot of crows flying in the sky with full joy in the winding streams. There lived a clever crow named Cleo and her lazy friend Kitto. Cleo was known throughout the forest for her sharp wit and keen intelligence. One scorching summer day, as the sun beat down mercilessly, Cleo found Kitto overcome by an intense thirst. So they planned to find out what water to drink. Both of the crow friends searched high and low for a source of water, but found none. Kitto spotted a pot nestled under a tree, but her face became sad because the low water level made it impossible for Kitto to quench her thirst by simply drinking from it. Undeterred, Cleo's mind raced with possibilities. Cleo left Kitto alone, and she went to find some possibilities to raise the water level. Finally, Cleo found some rocks and colorful stones, and she came up with an idea to raise the water level. Cleo picked up a green stone in her beak and dropped it into the pot. She noticed that the water level was increasing, so she repeated the same action. The water level in the pot had risen enough for her to take a refreshing sip. Kitto and Cleo drank their fill. Kitto is grateful for Cleo's quick thinking and determination. Moral of the story: don't wait for the right opportunity, create it.